Hello guys and welcome to Guess the Output series in Python programming by Amul's Academy. So here I will give you a program. You need to guess the output of that program and later we'll discuss about that program output. So now here is the program. You need to pause this video and try to guess the output of this program. Alright, I hope now you have your answer. So now we'll compare your answer with the output. So we'll execute this program. So this is the output. So this is the output for first for loop, second for loop, third for loop, and we can see the error for the fourth for loop. If you got the same answer, then you know the program logic. If not, I will explain you the program now. So first, in our program we have 4 for loops. So first we'll talk about the first for loop. So this for loop will be executed first. Here I is a variable and here we can see a list. Okay, it contains 4 elements, and next here we can see this is the slicing operator. So here we are performing the slicing operation on the list. While performing slicing operation, we'll take start value, end value and step value. Here we didn't mention the start value and end value. We mentioned step here. Step is -1. So that is nothing but it will reverse the given list. So this expression is used to reverse a string or a list. So here what will happen is, first this expression will be evaluated. So it will reverse the given list. If I copy this here, if I execute this, here we can see it will reverse the list and it will give a new list, right? It will return a new list and then the iteration will be performed on that returned result. So we'll get 4, 3, 10, 20 from this expression. So I value first become 4 and it will print that. I value become 3 next, it will print that. I value become 10, it will print that. I value become 20, it will print that. After that, here we can see the print function. It will print a empty line, that is nothing but new line. So here in the output we can see 4, 3, 10, 20. After that, here a new line. Okay, next it will execute next for loop and here we can see the expression as sorted 20, 10, 3, 4. Sorted is a function which will sort given list or string, and the sorted function will return a new list. Okay, it won't modify the original list, it will return a new list. So we'll get a new list from this function and the iteration will be performed on that returned list. So here we can see 3, 4, 10, 20. So I value first become 3, next 4, next 10, next 20. That's why here we got 3, 4, 10, 20. Next here new line, because we use this print function here, so it will print a new line. Next again this for loop will be executed. Here expression is this sorted and here I took reverse as true. I already made a video on this sorted function, how it works and its parameter and all. So you can check that. If I take reverse as true, it will sort the given list in the descending order. So we'll get output in the descending order. Here we can see 20, 10, 4, 3 in the descending order. So I value first become 20, next 10, next 4 and next 3. It will print that. So 20, 10, 4, 3. We got output like this. Fine. Next here we can see the print function, that is for the new line. Next here we can see this for loop. In the output for this for loop we got the error. The error is none type object is not iterable. So here we took iterable as this. Iterable is an object which one can iterate over, or in simple word we can say group of elements through which we can perform the iterations. And we already made a video on this. If you want to check that, I will give you the link of this in the description box. Here we used this sort method. So this is a list method and this method is used to sort the given list. But the problem is this sort method won't return any value. It modifies the original list. That's why it won't return any list. So we won't get anything here. That's why we can't perform the iteration. I'll show you. So when we perform this, okay, it won't return anything. Here we can see if I print, what it will return. Okay, if I put it in a print function, then it will return none. So here we'll get none. None is not a iterable, so we can't perform the iteration. That's why we got the error. None type object is not iterable. So this is about this program. To answer this type of question, you should have the knowledge about the return value of functions and method. You should know which function or method returns value and which functions or method modifies the original list and won't return any value. So if you know that, you can answer this question very easily. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in next class. Till then, take care.